Let's see this question. So we're given this equation, 3x minus 2 raised by 3 equals to some number multiplied by x cubed plus some number multiplied by x squared plus a number multiplied by x plus a number. So we want to find A, B, C, D. Well, let's apply binomial theorem. Binomial theorem says, so this is the degree of this binomial. The first term goes as descending order from the first term, which is 3x raised by 3, because the highest exponent is 3. Then the next one will be 3x raised by square. Then the next one will be 3x raised by 1. Then lastly will be 3x raised by 0. Right? So that's for the first term. And the second term, which is a -2, goes ascending order. Ascending means we're starting from -2 raised by 0, then -2 raised by 1, then -2 raised by 2, then last one is -2 raised by 3. 3 is the highest exponent, so we'll end at 3. For those two terms, let me change my color. May I change my color? Anyway, so -2 raised by 0, that's just 1, right? 1 in multiplication doesn't contribute to anything, so we can ignore. And also 3x raised by 0 is also 1, so we can ignore this. Now, what's missing is a coefficient. Well, that's plus, right? We have 4 terms. It's a plus. What's missing is the coefficient of each term. So which we can get by a Pascal's triangle. So that's 1 step. So this is how we construct Pascal's triangle. Then we keep moving 1 on the both ends. Then the middle, see, we have 1 plus 1, which is a 2. So this is our third layer. We have 1, 2, 1. Because we have raised by 3, so the first layer 1 is considered degree 0. The second layer 1, 1, degree 1. The third layer is 1, 2, 1, degree 2. So we want to end up at the degree 3 because our degree is 3. So we have 1 plus 2, which is 3. 2 plus 1, also 3. And in the end of here is 1. So a coefficient of the 4 terms. So for this one is 1. For this one is 3. And for this one is also 3. And for the last one is 1. Now let's just clean up. So I have 1 times 3x raised by 3, or again, we can ignore this one. 3 raised by 3, 27. X raised by 3, x cubed. Then the second term, we have -2 raised by 1, which is a -2, which is a -2. Well, 3x squared, which is 9x squared. So for the number, we have 3 times 9 times -2, which is a -54. Then x squared. Then the next one, we have -2 squared, which is +4. We have 3 raised by 1, just 3. So 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 4, 36. Positive 36x. Lastly, we have 1 times 3x raised by 0, which is 1. Then -2 raised by 3, which is -8. Now compare, so the number before x cubed is a, so a equals to 27. B is the number before x squared, which is -54. C is the number before x, which is 36. D is a number by itself, that's -8.